for senior citizens match day 18 Ghana Premier League second round no Eshasi and Krobia the defeat and I take you off. Quite unfortunate after the 90 minutes Heart of Lions 1 Krobia Sante Kotoko 0 goal no eba in the second half. First half na koye den don affairs fairly na home side no dominate but go be am second half and Abrantia your friend Godfred Kwadwo Asamoah enya ball bia opetri tum Frederick Asare entimi anya ho hwe eno enedi nkuku aba for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's quite unfortunate that these are the four key things you see in games wentimi anhwe bia na was say the bro Super 24 TV no so before no line up Kotoko the game no eneda screen no so no Frederick Asare, Justice Blay, Mukwala Dese, Che Dramana, that is Michael Che Dramana, and Obo Henry Ansu, Richmond Lamte, and the captain team no Nuruddin Mohammed Ejinem, Peter Midu Estate, Nicholas Mensah Estate, only the red card no Nicholas Mensah and the red card. Rocky Dramana Estate. Na in the course of the game no Isaac Opone ma Ephraim Emma John Tedeku ebem Sheriff Mohammed defender ono nso Ephraim Emma player your friend no Kalu Watara eba Peter Amidu enso Ephraim Emma Morrison Enoch Morrison eba bonum ebe bobi eno ne de ewo ho no. Now into the game proper. Kumasi Asante Kotoko first half no na performance no ensheda any sorosa fairly na ye didn't done affairs but unfortunately second half na ye buy no in the 53rd minute and player your friend Yakubu eye pull out be second pull out and a buy na Godfred Kwadwo Asamoah a tap ball no man koto net mu e follow after that no mo share goal no in the 5 minutes time which is 58 minutes and Nicholas Mensah edi red card no what it means na second yellow card and Nicholas Mensah a free game no ma Nicholas edi kotna echire empty for about the rest of 38 minutes no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ball 10 against 11 affected Krobia Asante Kotoko performance this particular game Kotoko winning ya say Kotoko 29 points intinka obeko 32 points nanka one de odasoro no league points no ayepe but league goal difference nanka ngofo no omoda soro no which is Samates the baby T Kotoko say Kotoko da so 29 or that third position echna insua treman or 27 Nations FC mu or 27 omunyina media ma munyina tata ho so omu wini a likely say obeyi Kotoko a free third position no eno ne de wo ho ana wo say ye kam ye nyina ya so tin ze Kotoko third position no eye den a echina league matches ne to aso a win ba for these clubs ama mention a Brekum Chelsea nso ehye ho omu nyina atimi win no omu win ni ya third position on Krobia e be free ho na Heart of Lions for nso no omu ne that last omu win ni ye no omu move because 16th position eno ne de